Every year, more than 300,000 buildings are demolished in the U.S. alone. That creates 65 to 70 million tons of waste going to landfills, bricks, scrap metal, framing lumber, and much more. But there are alternatives. Deconstruction, or green demolition, can provide a cost-competitive option to conventional building demolition. Joists, flooring, siding, and more can be reused for new construction. Much of the wood in these old houses is salvageable. Beautiful heart pine, hemlock, and cypress from old-growth forests. And many of these recovered materials and fixtures can be sold at Habitat Restore and other resale outlets. By some estimates, up to 98% of a building can be diverted from the waste stream through reuse or recycling. As dump fees continue to increase, deconstruction is a viable option for reducing disposal costs and lowering environmental impacts in many areas. Hi, this is Sherry Green, Director of Rethink Energy in Kansas City, Kansas. We're discovering that deconstruction offers new job opportunities and workforce development training for our community. To meet this opportunity, Kansas City, Kansas Community College has launched a new training program called Green Up. Designed for unemployed and underemployed adults in the Kansas City metro, the Green Up program focuses on short-term, industry demand-driven training and certifications to place workers in green-collar occupations within 6 to 8 weeks. The program is made possible through funding from Energy Works KC and support from Kansas City, Kansas Community College's Workforce Development Division.
This is called the nail hawk or the nail jack, and what it is it's another type of nail puller.
Accomplished.
As a whole, the college's Green Up program will offer training in 3 industry sectors: the built environment, environmental remediation, and buildings, materials, reuse, and deconstruction. For deconstruction, gaining in-the-field experience is a vital part of the training.
So listen up, guys. We have 3 main jobs to do.
Strip those bad boys out.
Sites include both commercial and residential locations.
Come on,
Top heavy, top heavy.
Green Up training is built around industry credentials with certifications in OSHA, lead abatement, and forklift operation. Students apply and develop these skills through extensive hands-on work in the field. We combine training in hard skills with soft skills development in interviewing, testing and placement, and entrepreneurship.
Trying to start my own business and getting the crew together, and basically so everybody can come together, get employed, and have a good time and make money at the same time. What I'm trying to do is a deconstruction.
To date, Green Up's deconstruction training has graduated 10 KC metro area residents, veterans, unemployed construction workers, recent high school graduates, and more from all walks of life. Several have applied their education toward other technical education center programs. Others are working or actively seeking jobs with area companies in a wide range of industries.
Hello, I'm Alvin Gilreath, graduate of the Green Up program of March 2012. I am from Overland Park, Kansas, currently working in Kansas City, Missouri for MS Consultant. We do masonry and general construction. I started the Green Up program as a result of leaving my previous work field, which was working in the mental health field. And I came into construction with the idea of getting my own general contracting license. But then now that I've gone further and I've been working, I've actually been out in the field doing this work, this is where the appreciation of some of the trainings have come into play, and this is the forklift operating, the OSHA 10 and 30. After going into the class, it did open my eyes to the ability to reuse and recycle things. And we did do a small project with some deconstruction used, and what we did was we took what we needed from the house. And so we already had a need, or we already had some things that we needed, and so we were able to get some items that we needed from a house. It's like when I look at something, I can see, I can see a way of taking it apart without destroying it, because I used to be the sledgehammer and the wrecking bar guy.
My name's Jesse Alvarado. I've been in Kansas City for most of my life, and I've been a union carpenter for the last 21 years, and the last 2 have been very slow. So I decided to call up a few people to do some research on, see what I could do to better myself. The classes I took gave me some certifications and knowledge about going green, which I didn't really know, even though I'd been doing construction. Class helped me out on being able to actually get a job that kind of fell into engineering. Some of the other helpful skills that I got from the class was getting my 30-hour OSHA class, the forklift certification. That was a good thing to have too. So I think those things will benefit me down the road.
I'm Brendan Crawford. I'm the program coordinator for the Construction Green Up program here at Kansas City, Kansas Community College. I came on board in February when the college launched the Construction Green Up program through a grant from Energy Works Kansas City. The Construction Green Up program was designed to serve unemployed or underemployed adults here in the Kansas City metro area, but it's also really appropriate for any adult who's looking to make a career change or who's looking to add high-demand green skills and certifications to their existing portfolio of skills to better adapt to this changing economy that we're in.
Let me just say how proud we are at Kansas City, Kansas Community College to be here today to share this experience with the first class of the Construction Green Up program that we have here.
This first class of graduates represents an important milestone for the college's Green Up program, and another group will begin this winter. The college expects to launch its 2 new built environment and environmental remediation training segments soon. Another big step forward in greening up Greater Kansas City's local construction economy.